What's that?
Yeah.
Well, find more. They're all over the place, William.
I'll play. Have a nerve. Green.
Wait a sec, there are more, William. Why don't you collect them all and then you can have one? Look behind you. Nope, behind. On the sofa. And where's Elmo? I think Elmo might have an egg.
And this one.
Oh, yeah. And, where's Elmo?
See.
Let's see.
Oh. This one.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
That's a lot of chocolates, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Easter Bunny brought you lots of chocolates.
I think there are more.
Oh, yes. Green.
A green one? How many did you found? Like 6 so far.
Find more. I think there are more to find. You just have to walk around the room and find them.
On your couch.
Maybe. I don't know.
Let's see. No.
No?
By high bench.
No, still in this room. There are a bunch. Look around in your favorite spots.
A blue one.
Oh, there's a blue one, yeah.
Find more right now.
Okay, find more right now. You might want to put those down so you can carry the other ones you find.
And our pink one.
Oh, really? Wow. There's still more to find, though. You found 2.
Oh, find more.
Find more.
Oh, I think you should look right behind you, down by your feet.
Oh,
Turn around. A pink one.
Wow.
find more.
Find more. So,
Maybe you should go around behind the dining room chairs.
Oh, yeah. No.
so,
How about where the books are?
wow.
In the drawer.
You're going to put them in the drawer? Okay.
No.
Oh.
Over there. More.
Wow. That's a good place to put them, too.
Another one. Big one.
You want to have a blue one?
I think
Okay.
there's still more to find though.
There's still more. Oh.
Oh, yes.
How about on the buffet, William?
Oh,
William, how about the buffet?
oh, I know this. And, oh, 5. Lots of chocolate.
Lots of chocolates.
I think you should come over to the buffet where Mummy's standing. You might find some there. Like where the handles are, where you're always going on and off.
Oh, 2.
You found 2, yeah.
More.
Yeah, you'll find more. Do you want to put those ones in the drawer and then go get some more?
No.
No? Oops. It's a great place to store them. So they can't get away, right? Oh, yeah. Watch it.
Two.
Okay.
Two.
Having 2.
5 more.
Yeah, there are more.
Look,
I can find more.
I bet you can.
Wait.
If you look.
Hmm.
Hmm.
See.
Let's see. What haven't you looked at?
Try and find more.
Okay. Well, where haven't you looked? Hmm. Hmm.
See.
walk straight ahead. Walk over here to the buffet.
The buffet. You know what the buffet is?
Like where the handles are, it's always coming off and you have to fix it.
The walnut. No, it's the acorn. There's one right there. Oh! And that one falling out of your hand. Alright. It's hard to hold them all at the same time.
Put in drawer.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Be careful.
Mm. Mm. Find more.
I think you should come back to the buffet. I think if you walk straight ahead to the buffet, William,
You knew what the buffet was. Not anymore.
straight ahead.
Mm.
Look behind you, right there. Well, I've got one, but
That was a sneaky one.
Mommy's eating one.
Yes, Al.
Okay, Turkey can have some.
Let's take an intermission.
Okay. Break.